Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to get rid of documents more than 6 months on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So if you have documents aging 6 months and above, your Samsung S25 Ultra can find it and delete it for you. So let me show you how to do this. So first, go ahead and open up your Gallery app. Next, tap on Menu at the bottom right, then tap on Clean Out. On the screen, you'll see this option, Get rid of all documents. So this will basically save space by deleting documents captured more than 6 months. So go ahead and tap on this. So documents basically means any screenshots you take or any PDF files or any documents you download. So go ahead and browse through these, select the ones that you want to delete, and tap on Delete. Then it will move it to the recycle bin. You can go ahead and delete all the items. So there you go guys, that is how to get rid of all documents on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.